Okay, this is the time I've been waiting for. Hey, 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 hey. I've got the secret super sharp knife. Hey, hey. Oh no! My finger. My finger. Oh, great. Let's continue. Let's take off the plastic and take it off. And take it off. And I guess we'll just take it off. Let's see, the latest and greatest Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and not as cool as expected. Well, let's see behind it. And whoa! It is beautiful and nothing on this side, so. And let's look at what else is in the box. Here are some papers that I think I won't be using. So let's take that away. I said take it away. Yeah, great. And the cover, well, this is not really a cover, well. Oh look, a metal SIM thing. And I think I should take the rest away and open this thing. And more papers. So I think I will put this down and look at the look at the charger maybe. Well, let's open this thing. Well, I said open. Open this thing. I never knew you were so weak. Yay! Plastic gone. What in the world? It is purple inside? Wait. Huawei is just trying to make this fancy, right? So, what should we... Let's put this down. Look at the USB Type-C earphones, and yeah, nothing really very cool about this. And yeah, how or what or do or how would with what shall we do? Maybe what should we do with this? Put this down and check out the dongle. Dongle. Just forget about this. Just stick to the point. And put this down, or well, not right now then. Maybe now. And no, not right now. Well, here's a little check around the dongle. And nothing really special about this. Don't think I'll be using this a lot. And put this down now. Let's check the power brick. The Super Huawei 40-watt power brick. So this looks like a normal fast charging power brick. We can charge the phone from 4% till 95% in less than 25 minutes. Well, that was hefty. That was very powerful. So I think I'll have to maybe put this down for now. I said put this down. Yeah, good boy. Now look at the phone. Or is there anything in this? Let's see. No. So let's see the phone. The real piece of meat in this stuff. So take off the plastic and never knew it takes so long time. Whoa! It's amazing and feels like an S9 Plus. Not Plus, but S9. But with a bigger screen. And the curved screen is very nice actually. And the cameras looked smaller than on the pictures. On Safari, when I see, it looks way bigger than this. And no jack. Sadly, no jack. And no speakers. What? No speakers? Where do speakers go? Well, what is that black thing on the top of the phone? Does this thing have an eye blaster? Well, whoa, wait, man, you went too far. So let's boot this up. Why is the power button red? Is it for colorblind people to turn on this phone or something? I guess so. This thing is taking so long to boot up. I guess it's because this is the first boot. I guess so. Why is the Huawei logo like getting dark and light and dark, or like a dark patch is just driving on top of the Huawei logo? If I could say it right. This thing takes so long. Boring. So I guess while I wait, I'll share some of my knowledge about this phone that I know to you, and maybe we look around. So on the right side we have absolutely nothing. But when we switch to the back side, just look at that! Look at that! More beautiful than peacock. Like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. But wait, stop right there. This thing is a fingerprint magnet, so I suggest that you have a cover or a wipe. You wipe it every day. So yeah, I know it's very beautiful, but I hate this. This takes so long time to boot up. Oh, at last it's boot up. Thank God. Wait, what does it say? Welcome. Oh, thanks. So I guess I'll have to put some of my details in this, and it'll be my daily driver for maybe about a month. I'll be posting many nice videos, and stay tuned for that. And after a month of using this, I'll make a special video of how I thought this thing was, and what it could do and what it couldn't, and how much I liked it. I'll compare the camera comparison and compare it with other phones that I've used before. And if you haven't, I suggest that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Stay tuned for the videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.